To export a transparent video in Premiere Pro, follow these steps. First, ensure that your project contains the background video and the animated image that you want to export with a transparent background. For now, I will delete the background video that's underneath the image. Next, make sure your timeline panel is selected and use the Ctrl+M keyboard shortcut to open up the export settings. In the export settings, select the Format drop-down and change it to QuickTime. Then, change the preset to GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. Remember to change the output name so that you can easily identify it later. Also, uncheck Export Audio unless your video contains audio. Finally, navigate to the Video tab and increase the quality to 5. That's it. Simply click Export to save your transparent video to your computer. Now, if you go to your File Explorer, you can find your video and drag it into your project. You can overlay this transparent video onto any footage you want. And that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.